Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Samia Shahid, working as Dean Research at University of Management and Technology, Lahore. I am working here since last 10 years, and I am also teaching at Department of Chemistry, School of Science. School of Science at University of Management and Technology is a very unique school, and our major speciality is our research. The research publication of the school at UMT is highest, and our faculty, we have about 50 PhD faculty members at the School of Science, and all are very much engaged in research, and our major focus in the teaching also is research and its applications. Research and science are very much associated with each other. Basically, science means knowledge. Science, the word science itself means knowledge, knowledge of everything around us, and research is basically how we elaborate the knowledge, how we understand different phenomena. So research is the systematic learning, systematic way of understanding science. Students, they first have to attain a particular degree. For example, if any student is interested to become a scientist, they have to first complete their undergraduate course, the 4 years program, in if they want to excel in science, for example in physics, chemistry, in mathematics, in life sciences, in biotechnology, then they have to use that. Or if further, for better scientists now, it's not the 4-year or 5-year degree program, you have to go to the further MS programs and then finally a PhD program. But it's not compulsory that you have to be a PhD to become a scientist. You can be an undergraduate student. After completing the undergraduation, you can become a scientist. There are so many institutes in Pakistan also where you can serve. We have many research laboratories, for example like PCSIR, like Atomic Energy Commission, there like agricultural institutes, we have environmental science bodies, where environmental protection agencies, and there are so many other scientific research institutes where you can serve. University of Management and Technology research, I am repeating again and again, is our main focus, and university is facilitating students and faculty members to increase the research. University is facilitating in so many different ways. They are providing the maximum facilities in terms of labs, in terms of equipments, in terms of softwares. So we have purchased many licensed softwares and installed at our IPC lab, at our HEC lab, where students can work. And further, there are so many incentives as well, like faculty and students, they both are rewarded for the publications. They can have monetary amount, they get the certificates, they get the medals in the convocations for having the highest impact publications, for having the highest number of publications. Further, university also supports, if because some of the journals, they have the publication fees for their processing, so university also facilitates. Another very important step that University of Management and Technology is taking is facilitating and funding the faculty for travel grants. University can present their research papers in the international conferences, and university sponsor that whole travel of the faculty members. At present time, major research focus area is, it depends upon subject to subject, but generally it's the Nanoscience is the major research field, because it has completely changed the world, and the laws and the principles which we have to use, which apply at the macro world, they completely change at the nano world. So at UMT also we are facilitating the research in the field of nanoscience and nanotechnology. Our students, they are publishing the work, and they are creating various sensors like biosensors. One of the students has created the biosensor for the some like glucose sensing materials. So nano research is the major area. And further, in terms of biotechnology, if we say, then in case of applied research in biotechnology, there are, and in agricultural sciences, so we can prepare different materials, help us to reduce the labor and other work.